Hello students, this is new lecture where we will discuss about how to prevent deadlock situation. In last videos, we already discussed about what is deadlock, what is strategy of deadlock, what is major situation of deadlock, how to handle when deadlock actually occur in system, and now we will discuss in this chapter how to prevent deadlock. Okay, now what is deadlock prevention? ठीक है, if we simulate deadlock with a table which is standing on its four leg, then we can also simulate four leg with four condition which when occur simultaneously cause the deadlock. जब आपके पास पहले ही आपने पढ़ा फोर सिचुएशंस फॉर डेडलॉक विच इज म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन, होल्ड एंड वेट, नो प्रियम्पशन एंड सर्कुलर वेट. तो साइमल्टेनियसली ये सिचुएशंस आपकी ऑकर होती रहती हैं जिसके कारण आपका डेडलॉक होता है. दिस इज क्लियर. ओके, however if we break one of the leg of the table then the table will fall definitely. अब देखो एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, आपकी चार सिचुएशन है, म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन, होल्ड एंड वेट, नो प्रियम्पशन एंड सर्कुलर वेट. अब वैसे जैसे टेबल के चार लेग होते हैं वैसे ही डेडलॉक के चार लेग हैं. अगर टेबल का एक लेग ब्रेक हो जाता है देन टेबल विल फॉल डेफिनेटली. ओके, तो वैसे ही अगर ये चार सिचुएशंस जो डेडलॉक के लिए मस्ट है उनमें से एक को भी हम हटा देते हैं, ब्रेक कर देते हैं, तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी होती है कि डेडलॉक वहां से हट जाए. The same happens with deadlock. If we can be able to violate one of four necessary conditions and do not let them occur together, then we can prevent the deadlock. ठीक है, अब कैसे करेंगे प्रिवेंट वो अब आगे देखेंगे कैसे करेंगे. ये तो एग्जाम्पल से ये क्लियर हो गया कि चार पैर हैं डेडलॉक के और चारों में से एक पैर को भी तोड़ देंगे तो डेडलॉक इस कैटेगरी में आ जाएगा कि वो डेडलॉक अपनी सिचुएशन को ऑकर नहीं कर पाएगा. अब यहाँ क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन. म्यूचुअल सेक्शन फ्रॉम द रिसोर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज द फैक्ट दैट अ resource can never be used by more than one process simultaneously, which is fair enough, but that is the main reason behind the deadlock. If a resource could have been used by more than one process at the same time, then the process would have never been waiting for any resource. However, if we can be able to violate resources behaving in mutually exclusive manner, then the deadlock can be prevented. Spooling. What is spooling? For a device like printer, spooling can work. There is a memory associated with the printer which stores job from each of the process into it. Later, printer collect all the jobs and print each one of them according to FCFS. ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि how printer print the page. FCFS के according मतलब first come first serve. By using this mechanism, the process doesn't have to wait for the printer and it can continue whatever it was doing. Later, it collect the output when it is produced. देखो ये एग्जांपल है, प्रिंटर है और ये आपकी डिफरेंट जॉब्स है. ठीक है, although spooling can be an effective approach to violate mutual exclusion, but it suffers from two kind of problems. This cannot be applied to every resource. After some point of time, there may arise a race condition between the process to get space in that spool. We cannot force a resource to be used by more than one process at the same time, since it will not be fair enough to some serious problem may arise in the performance. Therefore, we cannot violate mutual exclusion for a process practically. Hold and wait is the second situation. जहाँ पे क्या पढ़ेंगे, hold and wait condition lies when a process holds a resource and waiting for some other resource to complete its task. Deadlock occurs when there can be more than one process which are holding one resource and waiting for another resource in cyclic order. This is the main point which is most important. This is uh, again, I am again repeating this line. Deadlock occurs because this can be more than one process which are holding one resource and waiting for another resource in cyclic order. This is the main highlighted point, this which is cyclic order. Okay. However, we have to find out some mechanism by which a process either doesn't hold any resource or doesn't wait. This means a process must be assigned all the necessary resources before the execution start. A process must not wait for any resource once the execution will be started. ठीक है, अब आपका आता है थर्ड, नो प्रियम्पशन. नो, व्हाट इज नो प्रियम्पशन? फर्स्ट वीडियो में मैंने डिस्कस किया था व्हाट इज प्रियम्पशन एंड व्हाट इज नो प्रियम्पशन. Deadlock arise due to the fact that a process cannot be stopped once it starts. However, if we take the resource away from the process which is causing deadlock, then we can prevent deadlock. This is not a good approach at all, since if we take a resource away which is being used by process, then all the work which it has done till now can become inconsistent. Consider a printer is being used by any process. If we take the printer away from that process and assign it to some other process, then all the data which has been printed can become inconsistent and ineffective, and also the fact that the process can't start printing again from where it has left, which cause performance inefficiency. And the fourth point is circular wait. To violate circular wait, we can assign a priority number to each of the resource. A process cannot request for a lesser priority resource. यहाँ पे क्या डिस्कस हो रहा है कि प्रोसेस आपका लेसर प्रायोरिटी के रिसोर्स को रिक्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकता. दिस इंश्योर दैट not a single process can request a resource which is being utilized by some other process and no cycle will be formed. देखो इस ग्राफ से क्या पता चला, म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन का अप्रोच पूलिंग होता है, होल्ड एंड वेट रिक्वेस्ट फॉर ऑल द रिसोर्स इनिशियली, नो प्रियम्पशन स्नैच ऑल द रिसोर्स, और सर्कुलर वेट का अप्रोच क्या होता है, असाइन प्रायोरिटी टू ईच रिसोर्स एंड ऑर्डर रिसोर्सेज न्यूमेरिकली. इस कंडीशन में ये सब चीजें अप्लाई की जा सकती. इन डेडलॉक अवॉइडेंस, the request for any resources will be granted if the resulting state of the system does not cause deadlock in the system. The state of the system will continuously be checked for safe and unsafe state. Okay. आगे अब एल्गोरिदम आएगी, वहां पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्चुअल में हाउ टू हैंडल डेडलॉक सिचुएशन. ठीक है, थैंक यू.